Hi there, today I'm going to answer one of your most pressing twin parenting questions. My name is Joe Rawlinson, the founder of dadsguidetotwins.com. So the question is, how long can mom work while pregnant with twins? Now, before I go into some of the things to consider here, make sure you have the same conversation with your doctor because the doctor best knows mom's situation, best knows the situation with the babies, and can help guide you as far as what is an appropriate time for when mom should stop working when she's expecting those twins. Now, some things to keep in mind to help you prepare for this time frame of working. First of all is that twins almost always come early. So singleton babies coming in at like 40 weeks, and twins very, very rarely make it to 40 weeks. On average, they're coming in at 36 weeks or even earlier than that. So you need to prepare for a shorter pregnancy with your twins. So look at your due date and then kind of backtrack that to make sure that you're planning accordingly. Now, the next thing to consider with a twin pregnancy and how long you can work is that the mom may need to be on bed rest. And the twin pregnancy pushes mom's body to the limits. And so that requires extreme measures to help keep mom healthy and the babies in as long as possible. And so that may require bed rest. And so bed rest will definitely affect how long mom can work with those twins. Now, bed rest may take different forms. It may be a partial bed rest, maybe a few hours a day. She needs to just lay down or keep her feet up, or maybe all the way to the point where she's in the hospital, monitored 24/7 for extreme cases of bed rest. So if bed rest comes, prepare for that possibility and set expectations at work that she may need to be on bed rest and have to quit early or take time off earlier. Now, even if she's not on bed rest, the physical limitations of a twin pregnancy can really restrict what mom is able to do at work. She's going to be more fatigued, uncomfortable as the pregnancy progresses, particularly when she enters the third trimester in the home stretch there. She may be so physically uncomfortable that she cannot physically do things that she used to do at work, or she may not even want to do the things that she used to do at work. And so a lot of that comes down to the type of work that mom is doing during the pregnancy to see if she can indeed continue working all the way up till the delivery of those babies. So different work environments, different job types, depending on what your wife or your partner is doing, you're really going to have to evaluate the physical needs that are put upon her at work to see if she can continue through the twin pregnancy or not. So if mom is on her feet all day long, surely that's going to have to end a lot earlier than maybe she's at a desk job where she's able to take frequent breaks. So the key is to do the best that you can during the twin pregnancy and help mom work as long as you need to. It's a huge balancing act between the financial needs of your family and the health needs of your wife and the twins. So always lean towards focusing on the good health of your partner and the babies. Financially, it may be hard, it may be a sacrifice, but you can cut back on work, you can scrimp, you can save, but you got to focus on the health of twins and on mom. So that may require bed rest, that may require extra doctor visits. You should make sure mom is continually hydrated and taken care of. And so she can work as long as the pregnancy allows it. And then once she needs to focus full-time on the twins, on the pregnancy, so be it. So make sure you're setting those expectations at work because maybe your coworkers at work do not know anything about twins. Maybe you work in an office where nobody's even had a baby, or maybe they haven't had a baby in a long time. And so they've forgotten what the demands are that requires. And so it's important that you set expectations with your boss, with your coworkers, that mom may have to leave earlier, may start taking leave earlier than expected because of the things that we've talked about. Bed rest, shear exhaustion, early delivery of babies are all reasons why mom may not be able to work all the way through the pregnancy. Now that said, there's plenty of moms who do work all the way up until the twins are born. And so it all depends on your particular situation. So make sure you're talking to mom's doctor because she knows what's best going on with mom and with the babies. If you have a question about preparing for raising your twins, go ahead and leave a comment below with your question and I will answer it on a future video. If you have additional questions about preparing for and raising twins, I invite you to check out my books, Dad's Guide to Twins and Dad's Guide to Raising Twins. You can learn more about those books at dadsguidetotwins.com/books. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out some of these other videos for additional tips and tricks on raising your twins. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.